welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a video of this eyeshadow palette I got for my birthday. I actually was looking up this palette and on my phone. I let my husband have my phone for the day when I went to work, and I came back and I had like an email saying that I thank you for your purchase. I was like, I didn't buy this. But anyways, if you want to see this video, let's go ahead and get started. So this video is going to be Laura Lee's palette, Cat Pajamas. I love the packaging. It's so cute. You get it in this box, which I already took it out and I've been using it. And you get this, which is so cute. And I just love it. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like on the outside, and then this is what it looks like inside. Yes, I have used this palette and I love it. I've been using it for like 4 or 5 days probably. I kind of didn't want to get on here and like do a video and be like, oh, I don't know how it works. Like, I can't tell you how it works if I don't use it more than like a day. So let's go ahead. I didn't have makeup on. I took it off. I'm gonna prep my eyes with MAC and Prep and Prime that I use all the time. So happy to get this palette. Like, I've been wanting this, and it was actually on sale. I think Memorial Weekend, on Memorial Day or something. It was on sale for something. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Okie Dokie for my. I'm sorry if I like blind you with this mirror, but Okie Dokie to set my primer on my eyes. I don't know what that was. It sounds good. I was going to be off today and tomorrow, but I wasn't. I was off today, but I'm not off tomorrow as I was going to be. I was going to do my videos today, clean my house tomorrow, and then like edit my videos. That got turned around, so I'm doing my videos today. I've also cleaned today, and I'm going to end up going and probably edit some other time because, you know, I have to refilm. Pre-film, not refilm. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Bomb Diggity, which is this color right here. And I'm just gonna put that in my crease. And I'm gonna blend it out really well. Try to move this mirror a little bit closer to me so I can see what I'm doing. Like, this is really pretty colors, and it lasts all day long. Like, honestly, all day long. Okay, next I'm going to go in with Cookie, which is this color right here. And I'm just gonna put this on my outer V, and I'm just gonna kind of blend that in right through there. I'm gonna put more on. Just give me a minute. Like, Dollar General is coming out with so much makeup. They also have my favorite setting powder there now, so I don't have to go all the way to Walmart and buy it. And it's an Air Sprung powder. They had it at Walmart. Like, I live like 30 minutes. Like, the closest Walmart to me is like 30 minutes away. So, I mean, it's not that bad, but like, I feel like it takes forever to get there, really. I mean, it's not that far, but Dollar General is like a lot closer to me than there. Okay, it don't really take me long to do this look because I've been doing it. I'm wanting to play around with this palette a little bit more. But I just want to go ahead and use a look that I know that looks pretty and that I know I can do. Okay, now I'm going to put in my creases Scatterbrain. I'm going to put this in my inner part of my eye. And what I've noticed about this palette is that if you take the shimmery colors and you put them in like your inner corner, make sure that you blend it, like you rotate it in the inner corner and then bring it out, because it doesn't, if you just go out, like blend it a little bit then go out, it don't work. So I didn't mean to hit that off there, because I told you all that I don't hit access off for my inner corner part. See, like I'm just blending it out and then bringing it out, because it brings all, it makes the inner part of your eye pop out. So like these are really pretty colors and they're so easy to work with. Like, I mean, like listen to her colors. Like one color is Okie Dokie, Scatterbrain, Bomb Diggity, Cray Cray, Redonkulous, Quirky, Kooky, in ear, one out the in one ear out the other, and Oddball. Like I think they're so unique. It's so Laura Lee. So Laura Lee. Alright. So this is my look with this palette so far. I am going to do my under eyes with this palette also. And then I'm going to go in with Oddball over top of it, which is this color right here. And dipping it up a little bit. Because what I've noticed is if I don't use like brown eyeliner or black eyeliner, like my eyes look so pale. Like the eyeshadow and stuff will look pretty, but the under eye looks, it don't look very well. Maybe I'm not doing it right. I don't know. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with my new favorite mascara, which is from Believe Beauty, from that new Dollar General makeup line that I showed you all probably in my last video. And it's High Drama Fiber Mascara. It looks like this. And I love this mascara. I wish I got it on my eyes right now. I'm just going to put a little bit more on. Okay. I'm not going to go and do my whole face. Try this. I don't know if it will look good with my look, but I do like this color. It is by NYX Professional Makeup, a soft metallic matte lip cream. I love NYX lips. It's definitely a little bit brighter than what I want it to be. It definitely not match my eye look, but you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and go with it. It's already there. Okay, I don't think I want to put anything else on. I just mainly wanted to show you my look with this palette and test it out for you to tell you all how it is. If you have not tried this palette or you've been thinking about getting it, I would definitely go for this palette. Oh my god, like it's so pretty. I love the layout of this palette. I'm sorry if I blind you all with this. And I think the colors are very pretty and they're easy to blend and easy to put on. And you can make, like, you can put multiple looks with this. Like, you can go matte. You probably could go, like, any way you want to. You probably even do a smoky eye if you really wanted to. I really love this look. This is my look I've been wearing for the last 4 days to work. Minus the lips, because these lips don't go with the eyeshadow. But you know what? It's alright. It's all good. I bet you the lipstick from Casey Holmes palette probably would have looked good with this, but it's in my purse and it's in my other room. So I didn't really want to get up there and get it. And I love this palette. I love Laura Lee, and I want to test out so much more makeup from her and everybody else. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one.